How to get Revolut Card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get a Revolut card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to get a Revolut card, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Revolut app and then just log into your account. And once you log into your account, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where if you want to order a Revolut card, tap the card icon located at the top right hand side of the screen here. And once you tap the card icon, here you can just tap the add new option. Now you can choose to order a virtual card or a physical card if you have one. So you can tap the physical card option and then just select your card. You can get the standard one for free, by the way, and for customization card you have to pay a certain amount of dollars. So depending upon the country, you might want to actually pick that, or you can get the standard one by just tapping the get standard for free, and then you will be able to get your Revolut card. This way you'll be able to order a Revolut card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.